Guarding Against Gossip, presented by Olawu Cree. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving into a crucial topic. Gossip is incredibly destructive. It tears apart more relationships, churches, and ministries than almost anything else. Honestly, gossip feels sweet when we first hear it. It satisfies our curiosity, entertains us, and can even make us feel temporarily important or in the know. But what exactly is gossip? Let's define it clearly. Gossip is sharing negative information about someone who is not present. Gossip does much more than just reveal secrets. It actively drives people apart. It breaks trust and fractures community. Exodus 23:1 gives us a strict command. You might be gossiping if you talk about someone instead of talking to them. You share information that isn't yours to share. Your words harm someone's reputation. If you have a problem with someone, go and talk to them directly. We have to lean in to face difficult conversations so that our words protect friendships instead of destroying them. In conclusion, if you realize you have been gossiping, repent before God. Ask for forgiveness for misusing your words. Thank you so much for your patience and for watching. Don't forget to follow me on social media at @OlawuChristopher and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. God bless you, and see you next time.